Ever wonder how the wealthy manage to save so much money? It's not always about making millions. A lot of it comes down to the simple strategies they follow. Today, we're diving into 7 powerful money saving secrets that the wealthy use and you can too. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that might surprise you. The first secret is simple: the wealthy live below their means. This means they don't overspend on flashy items or lifestyles. Instead, they focus on buying only what they truly need. For example, many wealthy people choose to live in homes that cost less than what they can afford, allowing them to save and invest more. Next, they automate their savings. Wealthy people set up automatic transfers to their savings or investment accounts, making saving effortless. This habit ensures that every month a portion of their income goes directly into building their wealth. By making it automatic, they don't even have to think about it. The wealthy focus on buying assets, things that grow in value over time. Assets can include stocks, real estate, or even businesses. They avoid overspending on liabilities like fancy cars or the latest gadgets, which lose value the moment you buy them. This strategy helps them build wealth that lasts. Tax savings are a big secret for the wealthy. They work with advisors to understand deductions, credits, and legal strategies that lower their tax bills. By using tax advantage accounts like retirement or health savings accounts, they keep more money in their pockets. This is something everyone can explore. Understanding your tax options can make a big difference. Debt can be a major financial burden. The wealthy are very cautious about taking on debt, especially high interest debt like in credit cards. If they do take on debt, it's often good debt used to buy appreciating assets, like real estate. This approach frees up more money that would otherwise go toward interest payments. Another key habit is tracking spending. Wealthy people pay close attention to where their money goes. By using budgeting apps or spreadsheets, they can see areas where they're overspending and cut back if necessary. Well, this small habit can lead to big savings over time. Finally, the wealthy prioritize spending on things that truly add value to their lives, like experiences, health, or personal growth. They avoid impulse buys on things that won't last. Instead, they spend intentionally on things that enrich their lives in the long run. Here's a bonus tip: wealthy people are always learning about money. Whether it's through books, courses, or talking to experts, they invest in financial education. The more they understand about managing money, the smarter their decisions become, and that's something we can all start doing. That's it: 7 powerful secrets that the wealthy use to save money. Which of these will you start using? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join us for more tips on building wealth and financial freedom. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.